Is your 2011 Toyota Sienna's alarm going off randomly? It's a common problem, often linked to the sliding door or liftgate switch or the key fob. First, determine if it's a faulty switch. Examine the sliding door and liftgate. Wear, corrosion, or damage can cause intermittent contact, triggering the alarm even when the doors are closed. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes like B1678, which indicates sliding door latch switch failure. Next, consider the key fob. A weak battery can cause the system to misinterpret signals. Replace the CR2032 battery every 1 to 2 years. Start by replacing the key fob battery. This is often the simplest fix for alarm issues. If the issue persists, clean the sliding door or liftgate latch switch with electrical contact cleaner to remove corrosion. If cleaning doesn't work, consider replacing the entire latch assembly. As a last resort, try resetting the alarm by turning the ignition to on without starting, locking and unlocking doors, then turning off. Repeat this sequence. For persistent issues, consult a professional, as the problem might involve the body control module.